Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the Iraqi Dinar Revaluation. Challenges, speculation, and investor realities. The long-anticipated revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, continues to be a hot topic among investors. Yet recent developments indicate that significant hurdles remain. While many had hoped that the Trump administration would help Iraq break free from the influence of the U.S. Federal Reserve and policies from the Obama and Biden years, the situation is far more complex. Iraq faces internal struggles, including deep-rooted corruption and external pressures, particularly from Iranian influence, that must be resolved before financial reforms can take full effect. The role of U.S. policies in Iraq's financial struggles. One of the most significant external factors affecting Iraq's financial system is U.S. policy, particularly the impact of sanctions on Iran. Under the Trump administration's maximum pressure campaign, Iran's economy suffered a severe downturn, with its currency, the rial, experiencing a record-breaking decline. The U.S. dollar surged in value against the Iranian currency, while the euro and British pound also saw sharp increases in exchange rates. This economic instability directly impacted Iraq, given the deep economic ties between the two nations. The influence of U.S. monetary policy on Iraq extends beyond Iran. The Federal Reserve has maintained tight control over dollar transactions linked to Iraq, restricting the country's ability to manage its own financial affairs. This control, along with continued regulatory scrutiny, has delayed Iraq's progress in establishing a more independent and robust banking sector, an essential step before any potential dinar revaluation can take place. Iraq's banking sector, the primary obstacle to RV. While many investors are hopeful for a sudden IQD revaluation, the reality is that Iraq's banking system is not yet equipped to handle such a transformation. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has been working alongside international consulting firms, including Oliver Wyman, K2, and INB, to modernize the country's financial infrastructure. A key initiative within this effort has been a cross-border payments training program aimed at enhancing Iraq's banking capabilities. However, this modernization process has revealed deep systemic weaknesses. Iraq's financial institutions lack the technological infrastructure, regulatory framework, and risk management expertise necessary to support a stable currency revaluation. Until these issues are addressed, any talk of an imminent RV remains speculative at best. The current status of the Iraqi Dinar RV. According to credible sources close to Iraq's leadership, the long-awaited revaluation remains on hold indefinitely. While there is ongoing work to strengthen Iraq's financial system, no specific timeline has been set for when or if the dinar will be revalued. Government officials have promised updates, but for now, investors must remain patient. For those holding on to IQD in the hopes of future profits, this delay can be frustrating. Many had expected a swift shift in Iraq's currency value, particularly as the country increases its oil production and economic partnerships. However, financial experts emphasize that without a strong banking sector, a sudden increase in the dinar's value could lead to economic instability rather than long-term gains. Speculative investments. A high-risk, high-reward game. Investing in the Iraqi dinar falls under the category of speculative investments, high-risk ventures that have the potential for significant returns but come with no guarantees. Investors looking to profit from such opportunities must adopt a strategic approach to mitigate risks. Key strategies for speculative investors. 1. Conduct thorough research. Avoid making investment decisions based on rumors or hype. Study market trends, analyze economic indicators, and understand the geopolitical factors at play. 2. Know your risk tolerance. Only invest money that you can afford to lose. Speculative investments are highly volatile, and losses can occur just as quickly as gains. 3. Start small. If you are new to speculative investments, begin with a modest amount. As you gain experience and knowledge, you can gradually increase your exposure. Alternative speculative investment opportunities. While the Iraqi Dinar RV remains uncertain, investors seeking high-risk, high-reward opportunities might consider other options. Stock market investments. Emerging technology startups have the potential for massive gains, though they come with inherent risks. Cryptocurrency. Once viewed as a fringe asset, digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become major financial players. However, their volatility makes them a risky investment. Real estate in developing markets. Buying property in rapidly growing areas can yield significant returns, but investors must stay informed about market shifts.